Okay, here is the smallest drone. Look at how small this is. And they have light indicator. So they show the back or the front when you're flying. Check it out. See how small it is? It it's located inside there, so you won't lose it. So it's easier to carry around. You don't have to carry two separate things together. And in the back they have the guard for the propeller and also the extra propeller if in case you crash and broke it. And see how small this drone is. Look at it on my palm. It's very tiny drone. See how they fly.